Hello children, today we will be listening to a very good story, How the Camel Got Its Hump. It's your first story of the lesson of your book, It So Happened. In this story there are three animals who work for the man. So in the very beginning of the world, all the animals were working for man and they were doing their work according to their power and strength. So all the three animals, they had one more animal there, that is the camel. But the camel did not want to work, so he was living all alone in that haunted desert. He went to the desert and started living there because he did not want to work. So one by one, all the three animals went to the camel and requested him to work. First of all, the horse went riding to the camel and said, "You have to trot like us," to the camel. But the camel did not say anything. He said only one word, and that is hump. Then the dog went to the camel with a stick in his mouth and told him that you have to carry the things like me. But the camel was not ready to work still. He was not ready to work, so he said, "Hump, I will not do anything." Then the third animal, that is the ox, he went to the camel and said to him that you have to plow like me. But the camel was so angry that he said, "Hump, I will not do anything and you go from here." So all the three animals, they went to the camel one by one and asked him to work, but he did not want to work. Then the animals went to the man, and the man said to them that, "See, the camel has not turned up. He is not ready to work, so he has not come here. So now I am very sorry that you have to work a lot and you have to do double work of the camel also." So all the animals were very upset but they still had to work. Then one day the jinn appeared before them in a cloud of smoke and met all the three animals. And when he came in front of all the three animals, the three animals said to the jinn that there is a creature in the forest who does not do any work. The jinn quickly came to know that it was his camel. So he said, "Oh, it's my camel, and I will see why he is not working."